Indian Rocks Beach, Florida is a coastal town known for its stunning white sandy beaches and crystal clear Gulf waters. Nestled between the cities of Clearwater and St. Petersburg, this charming community offers a tranquil escape with a laid-back, friendly atmosphere. Residents and visitors alike enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, including swimming, fishing, and paddleboarding. Relax on a beach chair while catching the beautiful sunsets that paint the sky each evening. You can find an assortment of local shops, restaurants, and parks. Indian Rocks Beach provides small-town charm and an ideal location on the coast of West Central Florida. It's the perfect destination for both relaxation and adventure. Hello, my name is Edith Guzman, and I am a dedicated realtor serving Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay is a metro consisting of the major cities of Tampa, Clearwater, and St. Petersburg and the surrounding areas. In the 2020 census, it was ranked the 23rd most populous metro area in the United States, right behind San Diego, California. Having relocated from California to Florida, I bring a fresh perspective and a wealth of experience to help you navigate the unique real estate market here. Whether you're looking to buy your dream home, sell your property, or invest in real estate, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. With my extensive knowledge of the local market trends, neighborhoods, and community resources, I am committed to providing you with exceptional service and expert advice tailored to your specific needs. Let's work together to make your real estate goals a reality. Indian Rocks Beach, located on Florida's beautiful Gulf Coast, enjoys an average of 244 sunny days per year, significantly higher than the national average of 205 sunny days. This abundance of sunshine makes it a prime destination for beachgoers, outdoor enthusiasts, and gardeners. With a USDA hardiness zone of 10B, why wouldn't you want to swap out your snow shovel for a garden shovel? The city sits on the barrier island between the Gulf of Mexico and the Intracoastal Waterway, 6 miles south of Clearwater, 13 miles north of St. Pete Beach, and 24 miles east of Tampa International Airport. St. Pete Clearwater Airport is actually the closest airport, only 11 miles away. It is a small one-terminal airport with domestic flights available. The city of Indian Rocks Beach has 18 beach access sites where everybody may park for free. The city has posted signage which lets you know if the parking spot is for residents and requires a resident permit. Additionally, there is paid parking available at the Indian Rocks Beach Pinellas County Beach Access Park at 1700 Gulf Boulevard, just off 17th Avenue for $2.50 an hour as of July 2024. This beach is not pet friendly, but please don't leave your dog in the car. We have plenty of dog-friendly beaches to choose from, including Honeymoon Island State Park Pet Dog Beach, Clearwater Beach north of Somerset Street, and Pass-a-Grille Dog Beach. The hottest months in Indian Rocks Beach are July and August, during which the high temperatures average around 87 degrees Fahrenheit and the low temperatures around 79 degrees Fahrenheit. This warm, inviting weather is characteristic of the region's subtropical climate. You can expect mild winters and hot, humid summers. The last recorded snowfall in Tampa Bay occurred in 2010 at Tampa International Airport, a rare event that highlights the generally warm nature of the region. The sea temperature averages around 68 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 4 months of the year, with the average peaking in August at around 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Rainfall is also a significant aspect of the climate of Indian Rocks Beach, particularly in the summer months. July is the wettest month, with an average of 14 days of rain and a cumulative rainfall of 11.7 inches. These summer showers often come in as an afternoon thunderstorm, providing a brief break from the heat before the sun re-emerges. Visitors and residents alike should be mindful of the Atlantic hurricane season, which spans from June 1st to the end of November. It's best to stay informed about the weather conditions if you're planning a trip to any coastal area during this time when there is an increased risk of hurricanes and tropical storms. Fortunately, scientists are able to predict the path of hurricanes days in advance, providing time for preparation. VisitFlorida.org provides a wealth of information to visitors, and I have provided a link to their website in the description of this video. If you're looking to relocate to Tampa Bay, please reach out so that I may help you navigate your next real estate transaction.